What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Chan vlog, you know the vibes. BMW's here. We have some cool stuff to show you guys today. Let's go ahead and get into it. So right here, I just wanted to pop this open. I'm gonna make this a regular thing whenever I get new parts for this car. Let's pop the trunk and see what we got. Okay, it's a mess in here. All right, don't worry about the cable routers and stuff. Cable box routers. Don't worry about that. First things first, we got windshield wiper fluid. If you guys don't know, on my front of the car, the light pops on that it needs to be filled. We're gonna pop the hood and do that right now. We got tag lights. I keep saying tag lights. We got reverse lights because my reverse lights are not working. So I need to figure out how to get that off and take care of that. That will be happening in this video today. And also, I got myself this. You guys guess what it is? No? Nobody can guess? Okay, alright, we're just gonna pull it out and stop being ugly. Ooh, got ourselves some new grills. So the reason why I bought new grills is because, okay, first off, I'm irritated just a little bit. I'm grateful for having the stuff that I got, but we're not doing that pipe either, by the way. But the grills here in the front of the car, they tend to pop out when I'm driving around. Like, I'll come to somewhere and I'll stop and like see, but literally both of them do that. So and I think it was some of the clips on the grill itself that need to be replaced. So just bought brand new ones, so we had those, so I can replace those. And on top of that, they're blacked out on the thing. So if you look, when I ordered it online, I thought it said that the whole thing was going to be black, but instead it was just the lines. Why is it so hard to focus? Thank you. But it's just the lines that are black, and the outside is still chrome, which is okay. I'm gonna be getting rid of all the chrome in this car because I'm not a chrome person like that, for real. But yeah, let's pop the hood and get into business. I'm not even gonna lie to any of you guys. Right after that transition or whatever, you guys can be disappointing me, I understand. I've realized that I haven't eaten all day, so I went and got food, and then I came inside and started, you know, eating, and that was wraps. I haven't been back out since. Look at this Beamer. So anyways, we're about to just go get the car cleaned because, you know, I'm just being slow at this point, trying to talk and stuff. But I'm gonna get the car clean and start from there. Looking good. Sheesh. Can't wait to replace these. It's gonna look so cool.
That is to say that it is not serious.
This is something that everyone should definitely buy if you are buying your first car and you starting out. Not the cards. Yes, sir. Got a little joint to wipe it off, dry it off. You know, the good stuff. See how well this works. Boys, tell me what you think. I know this hood is terrible. It's got chips and just all types of stuff all over it, so this whole hood just needs to go. At some point it just needs to go, like one day. You hate to see it. I can't see, but it's raining, so all this is for nothing. It's all good though, because we about to pop the hood and insert stuff. So this is what I had to do because I wasn't really thinking straight about how to just pour this in. I found this little plastic baggie and I'm just using it as like a little funnel to get the windshield washer fluid in so it doesn't make a mess, and I'm already making a mess. Great. Alright, we're all good. Looks pretty full. Put the whole thing in, that way we had it. Hopefully now the light for that goes away because that was so annoying. Finally taken care of. And last but not least, these things. I'm really over here working on my car inside of a car wash. This is funny. I have to figure out how to get these out so I can replace them with the new ones. Look at the sheer difference. Look at the difference, man. This is the regular one. Chrome around the edge and chrome like in the middle basically. And then this one is chrome with black. Again, I want it black on black, but I'm fine with it as long as it, you know, actually sits in there and doesn't, you know, mess up. So. Yo, that was like the easiest install ever. It's already in. Hold on. I gotta bring it down just so we can see the difference and how they look. Oh man, what is... anybody who watches this, if you're a car person, please tell me what all of this is. Is this just paint chips? I thought that's what it was, but I'm not entirely sure. So please just let me know what you guys think, because yeah, it's annoying and I don't like it, but literally it looks so different. Get it from the different angles. It kind of looks the same, to be honest with you. Honestly, I like it though. Clean. One more. Sheesh. Yes, sir. I definitely like it. These are the old ones. I low-key wish I had it in all black, but I'm just grateful to even have these grills to begin with. But yeah, man, I messed up my title, my tag, trying to wash this. It's all good though. When I get that new bumper on, that won't even be there. I'll probably just have it in the window. Some of them are broken, I believe. You see, like pieces right there are broken, and all up here. And that's the whole reason why they couldn't stay. The other day, my dad said that while I was in reverse, that he couldn't see the reverse lights. And I did it for him, and he said he couldn't see it, but I'm just making sure right now that that's the case. Also, I want to see if the windshield wiper fluid thing is gone. Hopefully that's good. It's gone. Let's go.
That is to say that it is not serious. It is the play